Alright, so hello everyone and welcome back to this webinar. So today we will discuss with you a very small case of mine, a very special case of mine, a case of tinnitus. In this particular case, I got some tremendous result. So just I want to discuss with you guys and you people. So let's start with the tinnitus and what is the definition of this tinnitus. A tinnitus is the perception of noise. It's basically a perception of noise or ringing in the ears. In general terms, you used to call something is ringing inside my ear. A common problem of tinnitus affects about the 15 to 20%. It affects the 15 to 20% of the people. And tinnitus isn't a condition itself. It's not a condition itself. It's a symptom of the underlying condition, such as age-related hearing loss or an ear injury, or a circulatory system disorder. That was the basically the tinnitus what it actually is. So there are certain causes of this tinnitus. The age-related hearing loss can be there. The inner ear damage, something is damaged in the ear, and that may be repeated exposure to loud noises. And earwax, something has built up. A middle ear infection, something the middle ear infection, and there can be minor disease as well. A minor disease in which there is hearing loss along with vertigo, and there is something a snapping sensation can be always seen in this minor disease, my dear friends. So let's start with a beautiful case of mine. Let's start with a case of a 41-year-old female was under the treatment of an ENT especially. She was under the treatment of an ENT especially for 3 months now and wasn't getting any satisfactory result. So this is the conversation I just want to tell you, and I just want to give you the certain glimpse. From that you can analyze the case. I couldn't tell you the whole 1.5 hour case, but I will just try to give you the glimpse. So let's start with the conversation. I didn't slept well for 10 days. In night the ear rings a lot. The disease name I search for the internet and get it to you. Alright. And I used to take stress about children when they didn't hear to me, when they didn't study, they didn't take proper food, and that's the major stress is all about. And children used to irritate me a lot. There is two children of mine, and my brother-in-law is in hospitalized. His brother-in-law actually got an accident, and he is hospitalized, and that is the stress also. That stress is also there, the hospitalization stress of her brother-in-law. And I didn't get proper sleep. That's the main reason of my illness. She didn't get the proper sleep. I sometimes have a bit of squash with my sister-in-law. She sometimes used to quarrel with her sister-in-law. So there is nothing much, there isn't any much, but the stress in small things. She used to take stress in small things. I used to keep on thinking day out. Whenever there is small quarrel between her and her sister-in-law, she used to think it out all day out. So I asked, what does it bothers you? It doesn't bother me at all. It actually didn't bother me at all. But I don't know why I used to think all day out. She used to think it all day out. I couldn't concentrate on anything. She couldn't concentrate on anything. If I get a proper sleep, I can do better. It's my not usual behavior. If I get a proper sleep of mine, she will do better. That's a major thing she told us. And if I ask her I asked her the very direct question, when this buzzing in the ear aggravated, especially in the night, her buzzing aggravated, and because of that, she couldn't sleep at all. That's the major thing, especially at night, lots of buzzing, lots of hearing. What should be the, and the general desire for sweet, especially rasgulla she want. So this was the case, and this was the real glimpse of all the case. So how would you analyze this type of case? You can pause it down this video. You can analyze the case by yourself as well. So what should be the analysis of this case? Let me show you fast. So this was the analysis of mine. In this particular case, I used synthesis repertory. The synthesis repertory as some rubric which I could absorb family matters in. She is completely absorbed in the family matter. Completely absorbed in the family matter, and she cares a lot about his relative. She used to cares why my children are not getting the food, why my children are not studying, why my brother-in-law is hospital, how would be he is, and she couldn't concentrate on anything. That is of her rubric. And delirium sleeplessness from, it was not his usual behavior, he was in delirium state. And noises in the night, that are major PQRS of the case. And generalities, sweet desire, there is lots of craving for the sweet food. So only remedy which is covering all these 6 rubric is Dulcamara. So what should we give? Definitely we will give Dulcamara. So So Dulcamara 200, only 3 doses, my dear friend, only 3 doses were given, and later on it was followed by SL, the placebo that we all know, the Rubrum we all know, and she did tremendously well. She was completely all right today. No ringing, no budging, sleep is completely okay. He's not getting any type of absorbed in the family matter, and this is the beauty of homeopathy, which I want to discuss with you. Whenever you give a remedy based on a mental symptom and consider the peculiarity characteristics of symptom, as a whole the patient will get cured. As a whole the patient will get cured. As a whole the patient will recover, and you will get the tremendous glory from homeopathy. This is homeopathy. This is modern way homeopathy, which I want to inspire you, to suggest you people to use in your day-to-day practice, and name homeopathy. So this was the book which I have written along with Dr. Rajarshi Mishra. It's getting very good response on all over the India, and I want to show reverence to all my teachers who taught me so much. And if you want to talk to me, if you want to get in touch to me, just email to me at my email ID at nishan.smilebox@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.